Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to talk about the all-new humanoid robot called NeoGamma by 1X Technologies. NeoGamma is an AI-powered humanoid robot which is designed to assist everyday tasks, interact with humans, and can learn from its surroundings. So let's see 7 unique things about NeoGamma. But before we start, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Algorithm Live and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So let's first talk about design and movement of NeoGamma. Unlike most home robots, NeoGamma moves like real human. As you can see in the video, this is because of the tendon-driven system. It can walk, turn, and even perform complex motions like picking up the objects with precision, cooking, doing laundry, and it can even do squats. This makes it feel more natural and lifelike than traditional AI assistants. If we talk about smart AI with continuous learning, the NeoGamma isn't just a programmed machine, it learns from experience. Using reinforcement learning and AI, it adapts to your lifestyle, remembers your preferences, and improves over time. So the more you use it, the smarter it gets. NeoGamma can understand how you feel. It comes with emotion recognition software that allows it to read facial expressions and tone of voice. Whether you're happy, sad, or stressed, it can respond accordingly. So imagine having a robot that can actually understand you. NeoGamma isn't just a single function gadget. It can do a variety of tasks from answering questions and scheduling appointments to carrying small objects and even helping in the kitchen. It's like having a personal assistant with multitasking capabilities. If we talk about seamless home integration, NeoGamma syncs effortlessly with your existing devices. Whether it's controlling the lights or even locking the doors, this robot can manage your home with simple voice commands. Now, most of the robots feel robotic, obviously, but NeoGamma is different. It can hold natural conversations, tell jokes, and even offer words of encouragement when you need them. It's designed to feel more like a companion than just a machine. NeoGamma has built-in object detection, facial recognition, and emergency alerts. If it senses danger, like a fire or an intruder, it can notify you immediately. But it is just the notification that it will give you. It won't catch the thief that enters into your house. In a recent video, NeoGamma was seen unboxing the Nothing Phone 3A series, which includes Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro, I guess. It looks like NeoGamma is the first to get the hands-on experience of these phones. Well, Nothing Phone 3A series will be launching next week and we will soon get the details about these phones. But honestly, I think 1X has taken an impressive step forward in the world of home robotics by NeoGamma. The AI capabilities, human-like interactions, and continuous learning features makes it really promising. However, I do wonder about its long-term practicality and how well does it integrate into daily lives. Will it truly replace certain tasks? And of course, price will be a big factor too. But overall, I love the direction in which this technology is headed. It's exciting to think about a future where AI robots are a part of our daily lives. What do you think about NeoGamma, and do you see yourself having an AI-powered humanoid robot at your home? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Algorithm Live for more amazing tech videos. Thank you for watching.